Hi, my name is Sam Razi, and this is my AI and Tech report for September the 20th, 2023. A lot has happened since my last report, so let's get right in. First up, Google DeepMind has developed an AI program called Alpha Missense that predicts the likelihood of genetic mutations being either harmless or disease-causing. We all have various genetic mutations. Up until now, it's been very difficult to determine whether particular mutations are responsible for various diseases or not. This new program from Google specifically focuses on missense mutations, where a single DNA letter is altered. With a 90% precision setting, the program found that 57% of 71 million possible mutations were likely harmless, while 32% were likely harmful. Alpha Missense's predictions are available in a free online catalog for use by clinicians and geneticists. The tool outperforms existing variant effect predictor programs and may speed up the diagnosis and understanding of rare disorders. However, experts have raised concerns about the complexity of the model, questioning if medical professionals would be comfortable making decisions based on its predictions. What's clear is that AI is going to be an utterly disruptive force in the field of medicine as more specialized models come onto the scene that will help us both understand diseases better and treat them. Next up, Google's Bard AI chatbot has expanded its capabilities beyond web searches to now include searching through their various products like Gmail, Google Docs, Google Drive, and others where people have information stored. So it can actually give you intel on information that you have in these products. The feature allows users to ask Bard to perform tasks like summarizing email content or pinpointing key points in a stored document. Bard can also integrate this information into charts or bulleted summaries. While there are concerns about data privacy, Google assures users that their personal data will not be used to train Bard's public model and will not be viewed by human reviewers. Users have to opt in for this integration and can disable it at any time. In addition to Gmail, Docs, and Drive, Bard will also connect with Maps, YouTube, and Google Flights, with these three extensions enabled by default. The chatbot has also received an update for double-checking its answers through a Google It button, which highlights verified information in green and unvalidated answers in orange. Please take a second, just a second, and if you're finding value from my updates, like the video and subscribe to the channel. It'll help grow the channel and it'll help me to continue doing these reports. Thank you. Next up, we're another step closer to AGI now. The Toyota Research Institute, TRI, has unveiled a new generative AI approach based on diffusion policy aimed at quickly teaching robots dexterous skills. This is a significant step towards developing large behavior models for robots, similar to large language models for conversational AI. The new approach has already enabled TRI robots to learn over 60 complex skills, such as manipulating deformable objects and pouring liquids, without requiring new code. The goal is to equip robots with hundreds of such skills by year end, and 1,000 by the end of 2024. Next up, physicists believe that they have a way of improving upon already amazing image diffusion-based generation models using concepts from physics. MIT physicist Max Tegmark and his team have introduced a new generative AI method called the Poisson Flow Generative Model, PFGM, for producing images. Unlike traditional diffusion-based models, PFGM relies on the principles of electrostatic forces representing data as charged particles in an electric field. This allows for quicker and more variable image generation. The team has also expanded the model to include a parameter for adjusting dimensionality, adding flexibility and efficiency in training. Their work opens the door for incorporating more physical processes into AI algorithms, potentially revolutionizing generative AI models. Diffusion-based models are already pretty amazing. I just can't wait to see what these next level models produce. Next up, Microsoft AI researchers accidentally exposed 38 terabytes of confidential data, including secrets, keys, passwords, and internal Teams messages through an overly permissive SAS token in its AI GitHub repository. The company has since taken corrective measures, revoking the token and expanding its secret scanning services, and claims there was no unauthorized exposure of customer data. Further and further down the AI rabbit hole we go. I'll leave you with this song I generated with Suno. See you tomorrow.
In the neon haze, shadows creep beneath the city lights, secrets we keep, a digital heartbeat growing strong, a future where we don't belong. AI is on the march, taking control, unseen forces that consume our soul. connect. The